Hi, Michael. Thanks for checking with me. What I think you're talking about is this step 16, insert the file name code. So one of the things you want to recognize when they're asking for this and it says code, that you're not just typing in the file name, that you want to place in a code that would pull the file name or the sheet name or the date or whatever the piece of information is. By using the code, if like the file name would change, the code would automatically change. So let me show you here. I'm going to go into let's see, I think this is it, athletics. So first of all, you want to get to the, and this is not completed. This is like a start file. I just want to show you how to get the code. So let's say that this is called, I don't know what it's supposed to be called. Let's go look so I can tell you the real name. Let's see. Inventory and back orders. Okay, so this one is inventory, enter, and then this one is back orders, enter. So now I have these sheet names. So if we look at our instructions and it says all worksheets and then return to normal. Okay, so when you want to, first of all, I'm going to select all of these. So I'm going to go to inventory, shift, documents. I don't know what this sheet 3 is. I don't think it's anything. So shift. So now it's grouped, right? So whatever I'm doing to this one, it's going to do to all. So I'm going to go to page layout view. And then up here in the, now we see add header, add footer. So I'm just going to click in this add footer line. And I'm going to get a header and footer tab. And then right here, this is the area in this header and footer tab that has the codes. So where does it want us to put it? Left footer. Okay, so left. So I want to be in the left box in the footer. I'm going to come up to this and it wants me to do the file name. So I'm going to click and look, it puts in the code. So that's what they're asking about. It's the ampersand bracket file bracket. You don't have to remember it. You just have to remember you go to page layout view, header and footer, and then use this area to put in a code. So like if you put the current date, then it's always going to update to the current date, right? So these are all updatable as things change. So now I want to go back. I'm going to click in here and you're going to see the code is replaced with the actual name. If I go back to normal view and I do a file print, which gives me a preview, and you'll see it's down here. And there's 5 of them, right? Because I have it grouped. So as I scroll through, you're going to see that footer is on all of them. Okay, I think that will answer your question. And the one last thing would be to ungroup these. So right click, ungroup, because remember when they're grouped, whatever you do to one does to all. So it's easy to keep things grouped and then accidentally change things on sheets you don't want to. So I always, when I'm done, I always just make sure I do an ungroup. All right, give that a try. Let me know if you have a question.